In this atlantoaxial complex, first we'll see atlantoaxial complex. First we'll see atlanto-occipital joint, atlanto-occipital joint. So it's very clear, no need to explain. So here we'll be having skull, here we'll be having skull. So behind the skull, so this is occipital bone, this is parietal bone, this is temporal, this is frontal. Here we'll be having temporal. Okay, this is occipital bone. We are seeing posteriorly. This is skull. We are seeing posteriorly. So here we'll be having atlas, C1, cervical vertebra will be there, C1 will be there. So the connection between atlas and occipital bones is nothing but atlanto-occipital joint. So here the point is, here atlas superior articular facets will be in concave shape, and occipital faces will be in convex shape. So these two are going to articulate, so that it is a synovial joint, and that two variety plain synovial joint. And next one, atlantoaxial joint. Atlantoaxial joint is the combination of total three joint. It is the combination of total three joint. In the middle, it will be having median atlantoaxial joint, and at centers, okay, middle it will be having median atlantoaxial joint, and at the center, this side laterally facet joints, okay, facet joints. So what it means, suppose here C1, this over, okay, now we will see this our C1 vertebra, atlas, and now we'll see C2 vertebra, this axis and atlas. So here between, see, here we discussed like here we'll be having dense process, on the axis, it is going to articulate with the axis, atlas. So this is the median atlantoaxial joint, otherwise atlanto-odontoid joint. So this is one joint, and at the same time, see here one joint will be there, and sides. So this side one facet joint will be there, this side one facet joints will be there. So atlantoaxial complex is formed by the median atlantoaxial joint, otherwise median atlanto-odontoid joint, and two sides facet joints will be there. So this is the atlantoaxial joint, and that here, see here, this joint, median atlantoaxial joint, is a pivot joint. It is a pivot joint. Pivot joint is the type of the synovial type pivot joint. So here it is going to create the purely rotation movement of the head. So this rotation movement, how it will happen? See here, this one articular facet on the atlas, and one ligament will come, that will see in ligaments. One ligament, that ligament name is transverse ligament. So how it will happen is this, we see posteriorly. Suppose this is the articular facet, on atlas. Here dens will be there. So the dens is covered by the transverse ligament. So between these two structures, the dens is going to move like this. So it is the exact example. So this is the articular facet on the atlas. So this is the transverse ligament. In the middle, dens will be like this. So it will move like this. So pivot joint. So if we come to these two facet joints, we know that facet joints are the synovial joints, variety plain synovial type of variety joint. So this is about the atlantoaxial complex. Clear? Now we'll see ligaments.